So, how is everything going? So let's make an amazing chicken drumstick curry. It's not a curry, it's like a masala type or a roast type, a South Indian take. You marinate it first, saute it, and then we make a roasted coconut paste and mix along it together. In Kerala we call it a varataracha curry. So I just want to make a varataracha masala roast. Enjoy this. Thank you. In this video you'll be making to make a simple coconut roast curry. In Malayalam we call it varataracha curry, but this time it's not to make a saucy one, a slightly thicker roasted kind of semi-thick or thick gravy. So we got the chicken, it's already scoured, skin is removed. You cut it like this, so all the sauce goes inside and it's easy to cook. And we got some roasted coconut, the freshly grated coconut, just roasted, dry roasted, that is pan roast. Just saute in the pan till brown. You can store it for months like this. Now we're just going to make a paste out of it, and we will marinating the chicken as well. So to make a paste, in a mixing jar with water. If it's slightly warm water, it's good to make a fine paste. Now to marinate the chicken, ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, two teaspoons of chili powder, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon. It's good enough. Now we're going to marinate everything. Now the chicken is marinated properly. You can leave in the fridge for 30 minutes. And this is a simple marinade even to fry. You can just pan fry in oil or deep fry it. A simple marinade is good enough. Coconut is grinded to a fine paste. So with water, now we will be adding it once we pan saute the chicken. Now to make the sauce or the gravy, I'm using the normal oil or the plain oil, vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil for the flavor as well. So I just kept the chicken skin because people throw it, but I want that flavor. All the skin has the fat, but the flavor is in the skin. So I want to saute, take out the flavor, and then I'll discard the skin. So now the chicken, the flavor is infused in the oil. The skin is crispy. We can, throw it, or you can use it for the garnish. The method is called rendering. You do with the beef, lamb, before you're making curry, it'll be amazing flavors. So now I'm going to remove it. So now we're going to fry the chicken in the same oil that is being rendered. Once you turn it, allow it to cook for another minute or two. The other side also get nicely seared. And now after that we will be adding the sauce or the paste of the coconut. I'm adding chili, the dried chili, that round dried chili, just crush it and then put it. Now pouring in the coconut paste, the roasted coconut paste. Mix it with water and then pour it back. Now just mix it, everything. We'll be cooking with the sauce like this. Saute until the chicken is cooked on a slow heat. If we need, we can just cover and cook it also. Now the chicken is nice coating consistency. The sauce is reduced. Now I'm adding curry leaf and sliced green chili, and then coconut oil. So now just saute it, and then just switch it off. It's ready to serve. Now we can plate it up. Try with nice chapati, porotta, or even the rice. Now we can just plate it up in a bowl plate. Just place it like this, so you can show the legs, and put some sauce on the top as well. Some curry leaf. Put some crispy chicken skins on the top. The one, we sauteed and kept it. So that gives a nice crunch to it. So that's it. Good enough. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Bobby Geetha, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Click the bell icon and watch other videos. You will learn amazing techniques what we use in the restaurants or international restaurants or hotels. I'm happy to give you more techniques. Give me your feedbacks in the comment below. Thank you.